Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you how simple it is to spin up multiple dev environments with Ardor. So you can have a production environment, a staging, a dev environment, as many as you need for your software development needs. Okay, so as you can see, I have Ardor loaded up on my screen here, and for the purposes of this demo, I actually went ahead and created a simple app a few minutes ago. So on the canvas, you can see that Ardor created a PRD for us along with the backend, the front end, and every other service it needed to build this app for us. And in the top bar, you can see that we are currently in the production environment. Well, that's because the app is already deployed. In fact, this is what the app looks like. It's a simple public roadmap. But if I now wanted to build new features and test them out, I would need a staging environment. And for that, let me head over to the prompt box and let me type in something like, create me a staging environment. That's it. You just talk to the Copilot. No clicking around with complex settings, no additional configuration. Just talk to the Copilot and spin up an environment when you need it. And there you go. The Copilot has already spun up a new environment for us, and with that, you can see in the top bar, we have this drop-down icon that appears next to the environment name. So now we have a production and a staging environment. And the difference is that in the production environment, you have all of these services running alongside on the canvas, but on staging, it's given us a fresh, clean, blank slate to start building and testing out new features. Okay, let's do this one more time. Create me a dev environment, please. And that's it. Once again, we just talk to the Copilot every time we need a new environment to start testing and building new things. And there you go. Now we have production, staging, and dev. 3 different dev environments. And that's it. That is how simple it is. Just talk to the Copilot and spin up as many environments as you need so you can keep testing, you can keep building your next big idea without ever having to worry about, hey, what's this going to do to prod? All right? See you next time.